तो मिर्ज़ापुर के रिव्यू के लिए तुम्हारे दरवाजे पे चले आए। Let's recap what happened on the last season. Fulchand Tripathi, that is Munna Tripathi, sends his best friend compounder to kill Pankaj Tripathi, that is actually Akanand Tripathi. But what happens was that he is unable to do that, and unfortunately, to save himself, Munna Tripathi has to kill compounder so that Kalin Bhaiya doesn't get the chance to know that it was his own son behind his own death. Somehow, Munna Tripathi was able to convince Karan Tripathi and Maqbool that Guddu Bhaiya and Bablu Pandit, both of them, both the brothers have tried, were actually the people who tried to kill Karan Tripathi by sending this particular person. What happens at the end, last episode of season 1 of Mirzapur, that Akaran Tripathi gives the whole control of particular mission to take care of for killing Guddu and Bablu Pandit was given to Munna Tripathi, and he went over there and he totally made the whole wedding reception Jallianwala Bagh type sort of thing. So then what happens was that Sweetie got killed by him. Even Bablu Pandit got killed, and many others got killed in that particular reception wedding hall. That's where season 1 ends. And Inspector Moria was also being threatened by Karan Tripathi at that point of time, because the whole team of inspectors were actually trying to stop the violence which was Tripathi people was actually spreading in Mirzapur. So this was the first season. This was the recap. Now let's see what happens in Mirzapur season 2. Well, Guddu Pandit, that is Ali Faisal, Gajjagabini Gupta, and Harshita Gaur, that is Dimpy Pandit. These 3 people were actually hiding in somewhere a safe place. Story proceeds to where Guddu Pandit says to Dimpy Pandit that she will be totally safe in Lucknow in a hostel where she will be continuing her studies actually, and Guddu Pandit and Gajjagabini will be taking on future missions to somehow gather the money and the guns and all the mercenaries and everything to kill the Tripathi whole mansion, so that they can get control over the Mirzapur, because that's what the whole mission is all about as of now, after killing the family members of both the Gajjagabini Gupta and Guddu Pandit's brother. So what happens was when they do that, they had to get a proper mission, so that to include that thing, they tried to convince the minister, that is JP Yadav, which is played by Pramod Pathak. They tried to do that, and what happens was in that process, he is actually having this things that he wants to become a CM instead of just being a party to the member, because he was not able to having the control of it, and CM, who was actually his brother, tried to overpower him in every way possible and getting in the hands of Tripathi. He had this feud with Tripathi, the whole family of Tripathi, and also he had problems with his CM brother. So he made an accident of CM and took the whole seat of CM by himself, so that he gets the whole control of it, because this was the only senior member inside the party who were able to take over that, and at the same point of time he was a family member, so it was no problematic to do that. And what happens was that he was actually accused of being sexual harassment by all the girls that he used to call and have fun with, because Zarina, who was actually a prostitute at that point of time, was now a person who was a right hand or her secretary or something like that. She also accused him of the sexual harassment. By hook or by crook, he had to go down the road, and he was being arrested for it. And CM's own daughter, that is Madhuri Yadav, who is actually played by Isha Talwar, she steps up as a CM. Just before that, she's actually getting married to Munna Tripathi, so that all the control of Mirzapur by in the politics or in the back end, the whole Akaran Tripathi plan was actually being succeeded, because he thought that he will be able to get the control of it. But with the CMs, that he thought everything will be out of his control, because as JP Yadav is not in his side, he was actually having no control after the CM's death. On the other side, Rasika Duggal, who is actually Bina Tripathi, the wife of Akaran Tripathi, that she comes to know she is pregnant. So finally, what happens was we come to know during the whole process that it was the only person who was actually the father of the son which she was actually pregnant with was actually the Raju, which was actually a servant, and it was not Satyanand Tripathi, it was not Akanan Tripathi. In a parallel way, Ali Faisal, that is Guddu Pandit, and Gajakamini Gupta, both of them planned where they tried to have hands with minister, that is JP Yadav, but that was not successful because of all the cases of sexual harassment he had to get down. So what they did was, the next step was to go to Lala, who was actually a person who was actually in the wedding, whose daughter's wedding it was, and it was created in a massacre actually. So they went over there, they tried to cut a deal. Also, family member of Maqbool, that is Babar, was actually having a totally great hands and being totally loyal to Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta. So this was not in the favor of Tripathis, and they ordered Maqbool to do something about it. He was doing something, but it didn't kill him actually. New characters, that is Vijay Marwa, who is actually playing twin role, and that has been shown, that has not been hidden in the whole series actually. And their father, that is Tyagi, Dadda Tyagi, actually it is like played by Lilliput, is one of the greatest things to watch because he has done his character absolutely fantastic. I would like to say that one of the side characters which is actually having a supporting cast, he has done absolutely great job. Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta tried to have a hands with Vijay Verma's smaller brother, who is actually a little bit a haphazard with the help of Robin. Robin is a character who is actually a love interest for Dimpy Pandit, and this was known to the whole Tyagi mention. Finally, what happened was Munna Tripathi killed Babbar and also Maqbool's mother. This is where Maqbool was so raged out. This is where Bina Tripathi and Radhya, both of them were sexually harassed by Satyanand Tripathi, and that's the reason both of them killed Satyanand Tripathi, and Maqbool took the blame for that, and he was Farar actually. But the thing was that all this way, Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta, both of them were planning, and they were very close to killing Akanan Tripathi and Munna Tripathi. Rasika Duggal sent Raju to kill Munna Tripathi, but he was not able to do that. So what happens was, while getting killed, he said the name Akanan Tripathi has sent to kill Munna Tripathi, and that's the reason he was filled out of rage, and he contacted Sharat Shukla, who was actually the son of Rati Shankar Shukla, who wanted Mirzapur so bad in the first season, was actually being killed by Guddu and Bablu Pandit. Then what happened was, Munna Tripathi went to kill, but he was not able to kill his father. In turn, there Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta were reached on time. Both of them were filled with so rage that they finally got to kill Munna Tripathi. But when they were just going to kill Akanan Tripathi, Sharat Shukla from the back, who was seeing the whole scene, they fired back, and he was able to take the unconscious Akanan Tripathi inside his car, and he just flew. He was not able to see actually. So this was one of the things, and at the end, Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta went inside the Tripathi mansion, and he was actually sitting on that gaddi of Mirzapur's king, the king of Mirzapur gaddi. Now there are many unanswered questions. There was a fight between elder brother and younger brother of Tyagi, that has both been played by Vijay Verma, the twins, as I told you. But the thing is that he was actually acting that he was a elder brother, but actually he was actually a younger brother. Cut to the end of Chase, the last part, the last scene, that it was not the elder brother, it was younger brother who was playing the elder brother, so that he can have good in the eyes of the elder Tyagi, that is Lilliput. So this was the whole scene. Now many people got killed. One was Raju, who was playing a maid, who was actually a father of Bina Tripathi's son. Also, same point of time, Babar, as I already told you, that Babar was the person who was actually a relative, a very close relative of Maqbool. Munna Tripathi also got killed, and it was been killed by both of them. Guddu Pandit and Gajakamini Gupta, and finally they got the revenge of that. So there are many unanswered questions. Where did Maqbool go? I mean, he's not able to see anywhere where he is and what he's going to do next. Is he going to like be in the side of Guddu Pandit and Gajagamini Gupta, or he will like try to be with Rasika Duggal, because Rasika Duggal, who is Bina Tripathi, is actually on the side of Guddu Pandit, or it will be like he's nowhere to be seen. His role is just over. I don't think so, but I'm just guessing it. And just let's see what's going to happen. Second thing, what is younger Tyagi, who is actually playing the older Tyagi, what he will do next? Is he going to take revenge on Gajagamini Gupta, or it is like he will just try to help her along the way, and they will go ahead and make it as a couple or something like that. So I hope I have done proper analysis and proper review of this particular whole series, which the Mirzapur season 2 was all about, and I hope you get a major idea of what's going to happen. The series is full of violence, full of rage, full of foul language. So if you're going to see it, think twice before you do that, because it is absolutely 18 plus, and some scenes it is absolutely 22 plus. So like, just have a parental guidelines before you see that particular thing, because there are like many bloodshed at many levels, and it is not actually up to the mark where you just able to see, and you don't feel violated inside it. Talking about the series, it's good. It keeps you engaging. It is nice. Comparing first season to second season, first season was actually having a build up for how the last episode would come and how the last episode would turn out to, because all the events were actually happening from quite a long period of time. But in the second season, the end was fixed. The end was so fixed that everything was having its own place, and just on the last episode, everything came together. It was not the build-up, but it was trying to get build-up, but it was getting slow. But in the last episode, everything just came up into fast, and everything just got finished in just 5 to 10 minutes point of time. So this was the review. This was the whole Mirzapur season 2, which I felt it was like, I hope I have done the justice to the review, and hope you like my review. If you like my review, if you like my other reaction videos which are in this whole profile of mine in my YouTube channel, do give a subscribe button, do click on it, and also do give a big thumbs up this particular video, so that I know and you like my reaction. I'll be motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you that we have a second backup account, that is K4 Kavit. If this particular channel gets closed, if it has a copyright claim or a copyright strike, something like that, all the videos and everything will shift it over there. You'll be able to comment on me, you'll be able to suggest me over there, and you'll be connected to me over there too. So this was it, and I hope I have served the purpose of telling you what actually this whole season is all about. So we also have a timetable, Monday to Sunday, which I usually try to follow as much as possible, until and unless new trailer comes out or something. It is like urgency of the situation as per the needs and wants of that particular period of time. That is Monday and Thursday it is a song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it's a comedy routine or stand-up comedy or something like that, or any funny videos which needed to be reacted on. Wednesday and Saturday it will be like action scene, or like a particular scene from a particular movie, irrespective of the action or something, whatever it is, like it will be a particular scene. And on Sundays and Sundays actually 2 days will be like the different complex and mix up, that is might be trailer reaction or a scene reaction or anything, or something which is like out of the box, anything I would totally react to. And Sunday, if it is possible, if I get any contributor or something like that from out of the channel or something, so I'll be even calling people who are cooking actually, because basically I also have a cooking channel, that is Bawarchi, will be getting at the end of the video. So please do subscribe to the channel, that channel too. So basically I have 3 channels, this particular channel, K4 Kavit, and also Bawarchi. So please do subscribe to all 3 channels, you'll be able to connect with me over there. And also we have our Instagram and Twitter, as I already told you. You can even connect with me over there too. So Instagram, Facebook and Twitter over there in the link below. So just click on it and follow me over there. So on to the next reaction, next review, next trailer, next review, I would request you stay connected.